Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this official Apple merchandise t-shirt. This is the Apple Park Pond t-shirt. So you can see it on the left. It's purchased at Apple Park Visitor Center in Cupertino for $40. Comes in a nice Apple package. Let's check it out. Wow. Ooh, very cool. Apple Park Pond. Here's the tag. Oh, cool. Very nice t-shirt. It's the pond in Apple Park. See the birds, the water. And on the back, around the neck, it says Apple Park, California, 95014. Nice, clean shirt. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. I'll catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.